Hey guys, Josh with Fortis HD. Don't know what to do with my hands. Today we're talking track patterns. The one on the table beside me, this is the C block or H block, whatever you want to call it. This is the most common you'll see. It's used on mini excavators, it's used on skid steers, pretty much anything that's got rubber tracks. This is the common base set of what you're gonna get. Being that it's the most common track, it can be used in pretty much anything. It works in snow, works in mud, clay, rock, solid ground. These are the tracks that when you buy a machine, most of the time, this is what's gonna be on the machine. The one on the table is a Fortis HD track. You can get these at FortisHD.com. Our rubber tracks are made with premium natural rubber. You'll find they will last as long, if not longer, than the OEM track. This was the C block pattern. Want to see how to take it on and off? Check out the Tekamo HD page. They got some great videos on how to get these on and these off. Track beside me right here is a block pattern used in pretty much anything. Operates the best on concrete or mud. Find the block pattern more common on some skid steers. This is the general purpose track. This is the one that's going to come with most machines. These ones here on the table are the Fortis HD ones. These are the heavy duty premium. Our tracks are made to OEM specs and they handle just as well, if not longer. You will find that the premium tracks are thicker than the OEMs. The cable system's a little more upgraded and they got the solid pins. Zigzag tracks are best in the mud, snow, that kind of application. Muck, like muddy stuff, thick. This is a skinny version, 320. You can get them up to 400 and 450 usually. So zigzags are mainly a fall, winter, early spring track. This track on the table right now is a Fortis HD track. The rubber on these is the all natural rubber with the enhanced durability, so it lasts longer. These are a heavy duty track. You pay a lot less with Fortis HD than you do with the OEM, and you still get that OEM quality. You might see some V pattern on the big agricultural stuff, but you'll find this pattern most common in mini excavators. Main applications for this are mini excavators, so stuff that's going around working municipal jobs, is little stuff. They're definitely a multi-purpose track. These are definitely directional. They only go on one way. The V goes with the track. Not against it, with it. Tracks on the table next to me right now, these are Fortis HD branded tracks. It's made with our all natural rubber for enhanced longevity. This is the heavy duty version. These are OEM quality, but you're not paying OEM price. Easiest way to order these ones is to go on our website, FortisHD.com, or to give me a call and I will walk you through everything and make sure you're getting the right tracks for your application.